Constipation in older adults is often caused by a combination of aging and lifestyle factors that affect the digestive system. Medications such as painkillers, antacids, antidepressants, and diuretics can contribute to constipation as a side effect. Sedentary lifestyles, reduced fiber intake, and insufficient water intake exacerbate constipation in elderly individuals. Certain medical conditions common in older adults can significantly impact gut motility and nerve function. Diabetes can damage nerves that control bowel function, leading to constipation. Parkinson's disease, hypothyroidism, and stroke can disrupt muscle control, metabolic processes, and nerve pathways, contributing to constipation. Untreated constipation can lead to hemorrhoids or anal fissures due to excessive straining during bowel movements. Fecal impaction, a blockage of the rectum by hardened stool, may necessitate medical intervention. Chronic constipation can result in loss of appetite, malnutrition, and mental distress, reducing the overall quality of life.